naman po para sa ating ngayon. Again, welcome to Manila City Mayor Isko Moreno. Palakpakan po natin. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of McDonald's trusted partner and lessor for the past 44 years from Longtest Realty Investment Corporation, Mr. William Au. Hello po. Yeah, thank you so much for joining us. And I believe now is the time that we would like to invite Mayor Isko Moreno to share a few words for the Moc family.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. To everyone here, Manilas and non-Manilans, let's welcome home or welcome back. Warm welcome to George. Welcome home. Welcome back. Yeah, kami masaya, and I've been telling this many times for the past 4 months, and even during my first term. I've been telling a lot of people in the business sector that, you know, Manila is old. Yes, it's true, we're old, but we have a lot of story to tell. I think most Filipinos has a story and experience the city of Manila. One, and I'm pretty sure about it, we are the #1 producer of educated Filipinos. Because we host almost all the schools. Yeah. Even Ateneo. Yes, it used to be, binura na lang nila yung de Manila. But it's Ateneo de Manila. It is located in Intramuros. Nung bata pa si George. But as we have said, yes, we are old, but we have a lot of story and history. But at the very least that your city government can do is to make it pleasant. City, an old city, a pleasant and peaceful city where business can grow, can start from kilometer 0, now 800 stores of McDonald's. Because everything started in Manila. Anything, any meters, any kilometers, anywhere you go, whether it is north, south, east, and west, this kilometer 0 starts in Manila. That's why McDonald's, we're very proud. McDonald's started in Manila. I'm very proud of McDonald's family, and you, George, we're very happy, and I'd like to congratulate you. That isang patunay na ang isang tao, kapag nagsikap ng maigi, nagpursige, may mararating sa buhay. McDonald's is a testament of those who are maybe in your heart, in your mind, wanted to start a business. Yes, you may achieve what George have achieved. Anybody, walang hadlang. Depende lang talaga yan sa mindset mo. Yeah? Kaya sa amin, sa Maynila, we're very proud. And a lot. And mind you, when you go back a little background or little history of the top 10 or top 20 individuals and corporations in the country, you will see that fortunately between point A to point B, meron silang kasaysayan, ganap, karanasan, tagumpay sa lungsod ng Maynila. Bahagi lagi ng Maynila ang paglago ng bansa. Our forefathers said in our song, in the hymn of Manila, sabi, noong panahon ni Villegas, inabot ni George yun, hindi ko na inabot yun. Sabi ni Villegas, Mayor Villegas, Maynila, Maynila, dalhin mo ang bandila. That's the song. Yan ang awit ng Maynila. But to the businesses, the franchisers, or franchise family, thank you for continuing doing business in the city. Rest assured of what we have started in 2019 and 22, Losses Track in 22 to 25 will bring back that journey where business, the rules of doing business in the city of Manila will be certain. The sauce for the gander will be the sauce for the goose. It's a level playing field. Anybody, any John Doe and Mary, Corporation A, B, C, D, E, F, G, can do business in Manila with ease. No more harm under my watch. Again, as what it is before in 2019 and 2022. No more abuses. I will never. Loobinuhan ng Diyos, hindi na ako matulog. Makonyatan ko lang yung mga abuso sa City Hall. to disturb business no more. Because we want business to prosper. We want business to succeed because we need you. Not because of your taxes. No, more than that. We need you to continue to provide opportunity for our people. For the people of Manila. And that is our long-term approach in peace and order situation. It is not about manhandling, kalawitin, yung mga tolongges at tulisan. No. If I grew up in a very challenging community, and one thing that I have learned, kapag ang tao may trabaho, mas malaki ang probability na hindi siya mamemerwisyo ng kapwa niya. That's why that is our goal, that's our solution to the peace and order. Business will prosper. Jobs will be provided. Bonus na lang yung buwis. So that the people who are watching, the mothers and the fathers, sending their kids to Manila to study, will feel safe. And there is less maaliwalas na pamayanan. And if I may share, George, in less than 100 days, I would, is within the striking distance, would like to share it to you. With the ease of doing business are in place now, again, and rules on zoning was cut from 22 to 7, from 15 to 5. I'm happy to share to you and to everyone here. There is about 6,000 plus new registered business in the city of Manila for this quarter alone. Just imagine if you do your simple mathematics. One business, one job. That's 6,000 new jobs. If it is one job. But business needs a lot of human power or human resources. And we're happy in aligning ourselves with the direction of the business to come, to be safe, to prosper, providing jobs. We continue to provide skilled individuals in our training facility under MDSW. The other day, we just produced about 680 plus new skilled individuals in less than one quarter, 1,000 plus new skilled individuals. So this is what we're going to do. We'll continue to invest in MBN. Under MBN, what we call minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Jobs, jobs, jobs. So that there will be equal opportunity for everyone. Manila is a symbol of hope before. And we're going to continue that Manila will be the symbol of hope for tomorrow, for the next generation. Again, congratulations George. Congratulations McDonald family. Mabasa pa kayo ng ulan, dumami pa kayo. Mag-ingat kayo at pagpalayo kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila, God first. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor Isko, again, not just for joining us today, but of course for your continued support and partnership. So rest assured that McDonald's Philippines will continue to be an ally in providing feel-good moments and of course opportunities to Manileños. But wait! There is more. Alam niyo ba na si Mayor Isko ay kaka-birthday lang po noong October 24. Kaya dahil dyan, pwede ba natin siyang kantahan ng happy birthday? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Norman. Happy birthday, Isko.
Thank you. Halika pa picture tayo dito. Dito ka, tapos ito.
Pangit naman yung branding.
Thank you.
Ako, yes.
Happy birthday po ulit, Mayor Isko. So actually, si Mayor po, no, meron po siyang chosen beneficiary ang Manila Child Development Center who are actually waiting upstairs. So may mga bulili po tayong naghihintay for a McDo party. So palakpakan naman po natin. Now we would like to invite our guest for another photo by our commemorative marker for 44 years in the McDonald's community. Ma'am Sao and Mr. Johnson Go, please join us in front as well for our photo walk.
Ang other side na lang po. Other side. Press lang po tayo ng konti.
Thank you. Alvarado Street. Number one. Thank you. Pagkaliyan ka raw sa taas.
Congratulations again, McDonald's, for 44 years in the Philippines. And as we close today's celebration, I'd like to take this moment to thank everyone again who made this possible. Of course, our partners from Longtest Investment Realty Corp, Mayor Isko Moreno, the Manila City Government, maraming salamat po for joining us. And of course, to the rest of our McDonald's family. So today, we unveiled this marker and we not only honored the past but also looked ahead to the future, one where McDonald's continues to serve more Filipinos, create more opportunities, and bring more feel-good moments to communities across the country. Maraming salamat po at kita-kits po tayo sa McDonald's.
Sa taas po sila.
Tinawag ni Yorme yung babae.
Inuubos niya yung ano eh. Yung Big Mac. Nagsasalita ko sa
Naya siya. Uy, tingnan mo yun, ang cute to.
Anyway, I'm happy. Ay, pare. Congrats. Naswerte mo naman. The first course is yours. Something to, always there's a story. Thank you. Sige. Sige.
Mayor, gusto niyo po?
Oh. Where's your mom? Where's your mom? Where's your mom? Saan ka? Saan yung mami mo? Iniwan ka? Have a picture. Picture mo kami. Come here. Good memory mo doon sila. At least one for the book. The anniversary. O sige.
Okay na tayo, no? Bakit?
Oo nga.
Thank you sa inyo. Thank you. Thank you. One time, I was there, di ba? Nung may trip, isang mo binigyan na ako. Ayaw siya magkakaroon. Sana ka
Wait lang ha.
Yeah, I'll go ahead. Mauna na rin ako. Thank you. Okay. See you. Okay, maninira ng stoplight, ha? Nag-order ka sa akin. Good choice. Thank you po. Let me do it for you. Hi, beautiful. Oo nga, enjoy nyo. Enjoy mo na kayo. Talaga? Kumain? Maganda ba sa grade ninyo? Anatomy? Medium fries? Burger? Spaghetti? Oh, mackerel? Mag-aral lang kay Mary, ha? Two joints! Okay.